Work on this round is when you shoot your combination, when you shoot your right hand, your lead foot will jump back sometimes. Left, 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 right, left, right. You call this step. Left, left. So what I'm seeing is a lot, your head coming forward, a lot of weight is shifting.
Okay.
Try to keep it back, head in the center of your body. Left. There you go. Left, right. There we go. This way. Left. Left, right, left. You felt it big that time? Right. Step into it. Right. Left. Left, right, left. Left. And then there, no. Nice control. Left. Left. So one thing I found, like what Bob was saying about me having to push past the thing earlier, left. All I did was just tell myself that I don't get tired when I'm getting tired. I swear, it just made my stamina way better. Left. Stress is so much. Left, right, left. Right. Left, right. Right. Good. That's the same thing you want in that left, right. Left, right. Left. Left, right, left. There we go. Left. 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 Left, right, left. Left. One more left, right, left. We got lead foot. I'm going to twist my feet. Left, right, left. There we go. I told you I was going to do miles.
So see, I always want to pay.